Hello, Alex. Thank you for talking with us today to help us better understand corona surface treatment. Tell us, what is corona treatment and how does it work?
The corona treatment is a process to improve adhesion and printability on plastic films. The main step of the process is the generation of a plasma with ambient air that reacts with the plastic surface. This reaction creates oxygen groups on the surface that can interact with printing inks, glues, or other coating media. The process is environment friendly, it's dry, it's very fast, and it consumes only small amounts of ambient air and electric energy. The treatment effect on the surface is so thin that it's completely invisible, but it has a big effect on surface properties. In fact, the strength of adhesion can be more than 5 times higher than without a corona treatment.
So when will you need corona treatment and in what applications?
You need it mainly for substrates like plastic films that are produced in extrusion lines or finished in printing, laminating or coating lines. Besides the standard applications on films, there are a vast variety of applications with other substrates like metal, foam, textile, paper, board, and so on.
What customer problems do you solve with corona treatment?
Most of our customers have an adhesion problem in their finishing process. Poor adhesion is often related to low productivity like a high scrap rate, customer complaints, low line speed or high chemical consumption like primers. Although the root cause is the same, each finishing process requires individual solution. For example, a high-speed flexoprinting line requires another machine type than a small printing line. Depending on substrate and process, each customer process requires a specific machine type. That means we discuss in detail the requirements with our customer to provide him the best solution, which is often a real tailor-made system.
How do you determine the best surface treatment technology for application? What is important to consider?
First, we pay attention to speed and working widths. The speed can vary from 1 meter per minute to 1000 meter per minute. The width can be only 100 millimeter or it can be 5 meter. Further on, we have to know the substrate itself. Is it conductive or non-conductive? What is the thickness? What type of plastics are used? Then we have to note the process. Is it a continuously operated roll-to-roll line or a sheet-type process? Is it an extrusion or a finishing process? This information is often combined with results of our lab service, where samples of customers are treated in production-type conditions.
What is important for a potential customer of a corona system to look at when finding a supplier?
For OEM and end users, it is important to get solutions that have a perfect fit to their line and their requirements. In operation, the systems must be highly efficient with high uptime and easy to operate. A good service must be granted, not only reliable and rapid supply of spare parts, it's also lifetime possibility of consultation. Our 50 years of experience with long-term customer relations stand for this.
Thank you, Alex, for providing us with this introduction to corona treatment. For everyone watching, you can learn more about Allbrand products and corona treatment at allbrand.com.